Sizzling it here? Chacha! Chacha, oh my gosh! What are you doing? Wait.
Hi, I'm Chacha. Are you ready for an adventure? Can't wait for you to be a part of my squad. Come on, let's go!
God, my hair takes up like the whole screen. It's a good thing that we're taming the mane today, everybody!
As you can see, there's somebody behind me. And this one.
And this one.
But this one already has her hair done.
Not really. I mean, this is crazy.
It's lion inspired.
Lion inspired. Look at this. Seriously, look at this crazy mane. But before we get started,
make sure you subscribe, share this video, and turn notifications so you never miss anything from Chacha. Today, we are going to be doing something super fun. My big sister, Kenny, is my volunteer for the day. My sister has a really important self-tape to do, and then we're going to be filming the rest of the day. I'm going to be her hairstylist for the day. We're actually going to remake this hairstyle I have right now. I like to call these my Tik Tok curls, because all the big TikTokers wear curls like this. All right, let's get started. You guys, I just started using this tool, and it's called a flat iron, but it can curl. Genius. I'm a flat iron Chinese face. Guys and gals, we have to start with fresh, clean hair. We gotta brush it because we can't have any tangles it's kind of wavy, but we're gonna How? Hair is not fresh and clean anymore.
it's definitely not, right? Holy goodness. So long.
I brushed it like an hour ago.
No,
my
you
goodness,
didn't.
It's all tangled. Are you missing something?
My tooth?
We're missing the tooth.
I ate an Oreo.
An Oreo and it fell out?
Yeah. All right, step one, you guys. We brushed her mane.
A lot of hair going on here.
Mine's not as poofy as yours, Mom.
I know. Okay, so there's poofy.
Yeah, you can't compare to Mom's hair.
Well, I'm hoping that I'll be able to like get in on this action. You do my hair next?
Sure.
How are we gonna create this look, Chacha? The TikTok trending curly look.
We have to take a little bit at a time because if we do too much, then it will all fall out and it won't be curled.
Okay, so she's taking a little at a time.
We're starting.
We're starting. Let's go. Here she goes. She's gonna do a flip. So we've brushed. Yeah, look at that. It's like a choreographed dance a little bit, right?
Yeah, but hairstyle.
Hairstyle. Oh, look, and then we do a finger twirl. Finger twirl. Ta-da.
Tell me about your boyfriend.
I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend?
Chacha, you have a boyfriend. Let's talk about your boyfriend.
I don't have one. Oh, I'm the hairstylist. I'm the one that asks the questions. Oh, give me the tea. Spill the tea.
Well, right now, I really like green tea.
It's the drama. Yeah, girl. Can't believe when you use a flat iron to curl, it actually curls. How's that even possible? So guys, after you brush your hair, I've already started, but after you brush your hair with clean hair, it's called the elbow up and flip. Watch me. Elbow up, go down, twirl. There you go.
Perfect! Nailed it! So do you do a lot of like celebrities' hair?
Mostly mommies and Kens.
Oh, those are that is a top line like A-list.
Alright guys, now that we're done with that other half, we're now on the second half.
How long have you been training in hair?
A long time. I learned how to curl when I was like 7 or 6.
And how old are you?
8.
You're 8. Okay, so you've been doing this about a year?
I thought she,
How would you do that? I only burned a little piece. It's okay.
You have a lot of hair anyway, so I mean, right?
It's fine.
It's fine. Sizzling it here. Chacha! Chacha! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Oh geez. Had a little bit of a mishap, but we're okay. We're okay. You guys follow on TikTok that you love?
Charlie.
Charlie D'Amelio. Who else? Is
I'm just like,
there anybody else? Oh, Addison Rae?
I'm just like,
Maybe even like Presley's really cute, and Lily and Ketchum.
That means from Jesus.
Is that your favorite TikTok? What's your favorite TikTok trend right now, you guys?
Go, Daddy, go.
Oh, go daddy go. Wow. What do you think about getting dad to do that one?
stay tuned for that.
Coming soon. Your hair is looking super cute though. Check this out, you guys. This was all done with a flat iron and Chacha did it. She's 8. What else is pretty cool right now? Can we talk about online learning for a minute? That's pretty cool.
That's not cool.
It's not cool? Online learning's not cool? Is school in general cool? No, school's not cool? School's not cool. So if you weren't going to school, what would you rather be doing?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
And
Sleeping's cool. School is not. Note to self.
Okay, what do you think? We're all done with
This
our
looks
hair.
really good, actually.
We're gonna put some hairspray, so that's why she
Hairspray?
has some
Okay.
glasses
Not
on.
too much.
Why do we do the hairspray?
Because if you put hairspray on it, then it'll stay.
And it keeps
Set
the
it
fly
all in place.
Yeah, girl.
And we have to judge.
Zhuzh. What's zhuzh?
Like, judge.
Zhuzh? You have it down? Zhuzh. I don't know.
You're not doing it correctly. You're not doing judge.
Wait, what's zhuzh then? Let me see. Let me see a professional do the zhuzh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. What about zhuzhing your own hair?
My hair's like crazy.
Zhuzh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Here we go. Go. Zhuzh. Zhuzh. Zhuzh.
Oh my god, that went, oh my god.
Oh.
After you're spraying it,
Look
my
at it!
face.
There's the zhuzh. Look. It's very like, what do you think, you guys? Is that zhuzhy enough? You almost look like mine, but it's like more like curled. Oh, what's that? Is that for smell?
My
I like
character,
it.
my character in my self-tape doesn't look like she just rolled out of bed.
Well, you did.
It is a teenage roll.
Teenagers do roll out.
Teenagers do roll out of bed like this.
I guess so, but...
All right. Here she is.
Pop.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, Chacha, for doing my hair. I'm gonna go get ready for my self-tape.
Alright, guys. Make sure you share this video, subscribe, like, and turn notifications so you never miss anything from
Kenny.
Cha-cha. Bye, you guys.
Well, she ate an Oreo and then it...
Order?
She could twist it in a circle.
Ew. Cut those pieces in, babe. See if he sees that part.